Hey guys, I'm DJ Vanderzom from VanCore Construction. We're here on one of our addition sites on Yonge Street in Lincoln. This house, it's 199 years old. What we did here was an addition out the back and a small porch addition out the front. With the house being this old, we definitely ran into a lot of obstacles. We had no idea all these beams were here, which is pretty neat. It's a very neat feature. So we had them sandblasted, stained, all that, and now it's going to be a nice feature for the house. Being an old farmhouse, we didn't know what we were going to run into. The whole house was leaning, floors were out of level. It definitely posed a lot of challenges for us. Digging this addition here, we hit bedrock about 5 feet down, so we were left with the decision, do we hoe ram, what do we do? So we ended up bringing in hoe rams for a couple of weeks just to get the full height for the basement. It definitely put our company to the test. We feel the end result is going to be very nice, so it'd be great if you came back after and joined us for the walkthrough after that.